Adobe Spark is a versatile tool that allows users to create visually appealing content for various purposes, including marketing, social media, and design. While it's primarily known for its graphic design and video creation features, it can also be used to generate income through various means. In this guide, we'll explore 11 ways to make money online using Adobe Spark, suitable for beginners. Freelance design services. Adobe Spark's intuitive interface and user-friendly features make it an excellent tool for freelance designers to showcase their skills and attract clients. By creating stunning designs using Adobe Spark, designers can offer their services to businesses and individuals who need help with branding, social media graphics, and other design-related tasks. Sell design templates. Adobe Spark's design templates can be customized to suit specific needs, and designers can sell them on online marketplaces like Etsy, Creative Market, and Graphic River. These templates can be used for various purposes, such as social media graphics, presentation, and marketing materials. Offer design courses. Adobe Spark's ease of use makes it an excellent tool for teaching design skills to beginners. Designers can create online courses using Adobe Spark's video creation feature and sell them on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. Create design tutorials. Adobe Spark's tutorial feature allows users to create step-by-step guides on how to use the tool to create designs. Designers can create tutorials on specific topics such as creating social media graphics and sell them on platforms like Skillshare and Udemy. Offer design consulting. Adobe Spark's design features can be used to provide consulting services to businesses and individuals who need help with their design needs. Designers can offer consulting services such as branding, logo design, and social media graphics using Adobe Spark. Create design-related products. Adobe Spark's design templates can be used to create design-related products such as calendars, posters, and greeting cards. Designers can sell these products on online marketplaces like Etsy and Amazon Handmade. Offer design coaching. Adobe Spark's design features can be used to provide coaching services to individuals who want to improve their design skills. Designers can offer coaching services such as one-on-one sessions and group workshops using Adobe Spark. Create design-related webinars. Adobe Spark's video creation feature can be used to create webinars on design-related topics. Designers can sell these webinars on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. Offer design-related workshops. Adobe Spark's design features can be used to provide workshop services to businesses and individuals who want to learn design skills. Designers can offer workshop services such as half-day and full-day sessions using Adobe Spark. Create design-related ebooks. Adobe Spark's design templates can be used to create ebooks on design-related topics. Designers can sell these ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle and Apple Books. Offer design-related memberships. Adobe Spark's design features can be used to provide membership services to businesses and individuals who want ongoing design support. Designers can offer membership services such as monthly design consultations and access to design resources using Adobe Spark. In conclusion, Adobe Spark offers various opportunities for designers to make money online. By utilizing its design features and creating value-added services, designers can generate income while showcasing their skills and helping others.